The COVID-19 pandemic is hitting Black people in a disproportionate way compared to the population. An article on this very topic is on cdc.gov. The agency says many factors hamper prevention, including, quote, systemic inequalities. The article also says those inequalities can cause chronic and toxic stress. We have LaTanya Mackey of Provident Behavioral Health. She's a licensed counselor, and she's also the clinical site supervisor at Provident. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So on top of all this, we have more videos of excessive police force against Black people. How can all of this affect clients of color?
Well, I think that it's important to remember that Black people were suffering prior to those videos coming out. At the beginning of all of this, we learned in the coronavirus that it was infecting Black people at a higher rate, and people are dying from this. We also had grief in our community from job loss, and then those videos surfaced for what we all knew was happening in our communities, but now it's created a widespread community issue. And so it's impacting people at a greater rate than the toxic stress that we're already experiencing day to day, being Black in America.
So what can family and friends do?
Well, the first thing I would say is just listen. I think we forget that it's okay to just listen and be silent and be in that space and share it with someone else without judgment. Just listen first. The second thing I would definitely tell people to do is remember, again, the people around you are grieving. They have lost a lot. And even if they haven't lost more than another person, this is not a tug of war or a comparison game. Just know that people are grieving. So share that space with them and do not judge. The third thing I would definitely tell people to do is manage your news consumption. And I, while I am sitting here on the news, it can be traumatizing to see it over and over again, to see that people are dying, that there is rage, in addition to managing your own rage. Meanwhile, the news for some Black people, I would hope most, is inspiring at this time to see that the world is joining together. So seek professional help to see how you can manage all of those emotions at the same time. And lastly, again, seek professional help. We are here for you. There are tons of therapists. It is our job to stay knowledgeable about racial inequities and how it impacts others. And so it's okay to get you a safe space if your family isn't safe or your friends aren't safe. Seek professional help. Counselors are definitely available for you.
Well, limiting your news consumption is actually good advice for us journalists. Sometimes you do need to turn it off if you can. But if we're the ones having a hard time, how would we know?
I would definitely say it's important to manage how you're feeling. Again, we get into life on autopilot. Again, you're a journalist, I'm a therapist. We hear and see things every day that aren't typical for others. And so it's important to know that even though it's normal for you to report and see the things that are negative, it's okay to say, this is hard for me right now. This is sad. This is devastating. This is all of the things that I'm feeling, and feel it at that moment. And especially for those who are essential workers right now, or in the professions where you have to be in it, you don't have a choice, seek professional help. It is a part of your duty to stay healthy and well so you can do your best job at work every day, because this is not easy right now.
Well, we will definitely have a link to providentstl.org on fox2now.com. And since you kind of counseled me and our other journalists and essential workers, we will make sure to retweet this as well. LaTanya Mackey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Well